Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about GBP USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 21st July to 25th July 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. First, let's see what happened in GBP USD on Friday. So as you can see in GBP USD 0.08% negative move, 1.34029 was the closing on Friday. So now we'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So first, let's open a weekly chart and check what was the candle and the indicators, what the indicators are showing on the weekly chart. So here, this is a bearish weekly chart. As you can see, we can see a previous week was in bearish. There is a small lower and small upper wick. Also, if we check the stochastic RSI is currently below 50, which is giving us a sideways momentum indication. So here, as I always say, we should not always depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for the factors which move the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support and resistance zone on our one-day chart. So here I have already opened the one-day chart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon for such weekly analysis. Currently, as you can see, there is not such data, or there is any different data that we should make changes. There is some data on the downside, but there is not a major data changes in current week. So according to the current momentum, we have changed accordingly we have changed the important support and resistance zone. So now let's talk about a closing. So 1.34029 was the closing. Here the direct support is 1.33805 and direct resistance is 1.34312. After direct support, there is a support of 1.33394 and then 1.33003. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.34667 and then 1.35069. Also, if you are from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I have already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. Also, I have given the coupon code which will help you to get 20% discount on the first prop firm that I have already given in the description. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out. So now let's talk about my opinion in GBP USD for this week. So according to the current closing, I am expecting a positive move on this for this week around 1.343122 1.34667. Here I am expecting a closing in this range. If you are looking for any short trade, then only look for short trade when 1.33805 gets closed or gets breached in a one-day chart and we get a closing of one-day chart below 1.33805. We will be able to see a downside move till 1.33394. Also, my expectation is positive in this range. What is your expectations? Do let me know in the comment section. And also, if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.